What is the right position to sleep for each of these health problems? You all know that sleeping has a significant effect on your health, right? In general, a human being sleeps on average 25 years in his lifetime, or 7-9 hours per night. The experts say that besides getting enough sleep, it is also extremely important to have a right sleep position so you can be able to improve your overall well-being. What is the right position to sleep for each of these health problems? The position of your sleep can affect different conditions, including blood pressure, sinus infections, etc. So, in order to treat these health issues, make sure to get the right sleeping position. Keep reading and find out more which sleeping position is the best for your health issue. Here are 9 sleeping positions that will help you relieve some health issues and conditions. 1. Shoulder pain. The Women's Health magazine claims that you can treat shoulder pain by sleeping on the side that you don't feel pain with your legs slightly bent. It is also recommended to grasp a pillow to your chest and place another pillow between your knees. 2. Back pain. The sleeping position is extremely important for back pain. You need to sleep in that body posture that is the best for you. It is recommended to lay on the back and place a pillow under your knees as well as rolled up towel under the curve of the back. 3. Headaches. When experiencing headaches, the position of your sleeping can either relieve your headache or make it worse. According to Hubs Health expert, some of the daily headaches you experience can occur as a result of twisted neck during sleeping. So, in order to prevent your head from turning, thus prevent a headache, make sure to surround your head with pillows. 4. Sinus trouble. Your sleeping position is also significantly important for a sinus infection, since it can be either beneficial or detrimental. According to Harvard Medical School, in order to prevent the mucus from pooling in the sinuses, you should sleep with an elevated head. 5. High blood pressure. The Eim University School of Medicine conducted a study focused on the way sleeping positions affect blood pressure. The results showed that sleeping with your face down can lower your blood pressure. However, before exploring any treatment, make sure to consult your doctor in order to find out the general condition of your blood pressure. 6. PMS pain. Your sleeping position can relieve the painful PMS-related symptoms. The Women's Health magazine suggests placing a pillow under the knees to prevent arching of your spine. 7. Neck pain. If you suffer from neck pain, you should know that some additional neck support can significantly improve your condition. It is recommended to take a small rolled-up towel and place it under the neck or place it under your pillowcase. 8. Digestion trouble. According to the ScanSheen, sleeping on the left side is the best way to improve your digestion. This is because the stomach is on the left side, so by sleeping on the left side, gravity can improve the digestive process. 9. Heartburn. Heartburn can be an extremely disturbing health issue. Sleeping on the left side can help you to treat this condition. The right sleeping position will not only relieve your health problem, but also improve your quality of sleep. If you have any questions or concerns, make sure to consult your doctor.